Yeah, we definitely got a swarm going right here. You can just see them. They're all swarming up in this walnut tree here. You got one going up in these branches, up in these leaves here. Got one or two swarms starting there, and then we got one against the tree right there, so I don't know what we got going on here. Yeah, you can see the swarm is building bigger up here. So I don't know what's going on. We thought we caught one, but we got this one going on up here, so I'm not really sure what's going on, how we're going to get this one out of the tree.